Well, I don't know about you, but I love this car in white. Land Rover Defender 110 X-Dynamic SE, 250 horsepower, 3-litre diesel. It's in Fuji white, but it's got that full extended black styling package. So the X-Dynamic giving you this different section, front and rear, painted sides, bits on it. But in Fuji white, this looks amazing because it's got the black roof, it's got the black mirrors, it's got the 20-inch wheel upgrade, it's got the steps. Really important features on this particular car. It's got air suspension, it's got deployable tow bar. You know, Defender 110 is an amazing vehicle as it is, but this one's got the options which make it what it is. Sliding roof, memory seats, Meridian sound, keyless entry, classic mud flaps. But it just looks, that's what's going to sell this. It's going to be the look of the vehicle. You'll see from, you know, I've got a similar vehicle to this in white as well myself, my own personal car, and it looks just like this with the X-Dynamic styling to the bottom, black roof rails. And then really important selling features in this car. It has the air suspension pack, raising and lowering the car from this button or in the front. We also have this deployable tow bar. So it's got all the features, the selling features that we usually love and enable us to sell these cars really quickly. On a 72, it's only done 8,000 miles. It's one owner from new. It's in an amazing condition, lots of space, of course, leather and Robustex seating. But you know, when you buy one of these, you want the bits and bobs that are going to help you enjoy it. If you look at the side profile of this car, you'll see all that contrast between the painted bottom section wheel arches, privacy glass and black roof, surrounded by that white section right round. It's an amazing car, this really is. It looks great. Then we've got things from the SE specs, so the electric memory seats for driver and passenger, adaptive cruise control, digital interface, Meridian sound. I'm going to go through all that quickly with you on the driver side, but you've got to admit it looks great. And a lot of these Defenders we get are in grey and black. I think the white is a really good colour because you pick out all the features of these. Because it's an SE, we've got the Matrix lights, we've got the 110 bonnet decal in matte black, black badges. I really like it. Whoa, and, floor's slippy by the way, and it's an amazing price, this car. It is fab money, fab value for money. In the car, adaptive cruise control, blind spot assist, lane assist, digital interface, which is switchable really easily from the steering wheel. And then we've got the air suspension. It's really important that I pick that out so you can raise and lower the car from this section here. We've got heated front seats, as you can see. Push that, there's your seats. We've got digital climate control, heated front and rear screens, 2 keys for the car, and then Pivi Pro with 360 camera, off-road towing camera all in place, and your 3D surround view camera system, which is amazing, as you can see. Wireless smartphone integration, so you don't even need to plug your phone in, it's wireless. So all your Apple and Android CarPlay will work as you jump in the car, or your 4-wheel drive, weight sensing, all the different driving styles. It's a really top car, this. Exterior colour, lovely. Inside, right specification, sliding roof, black headlining, black seats. It's on the website now. It is an unbelievable price point, this car. Like for like, with what it's got, the mileage, the age, the condition, the spec, it's the best buy in the country. My name's Richard. Thanks for watching.